Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for giving me an opportunity for presentation. I am Mamunur Rashid, ID 192000022, Department of Tripoli, Rwanda Bosasha University. My presentation topic is microprocessor computer interface. Presented by microprocessor 8086 pin configuration. Pin diagram of 8086 microprocessor. The 8086 use 20 line address bus. It has 60 line data bus and 20 line of address bus. Operate in multiplexed mode. The 16 flow order address bus line have been multiplexed with data and 4 high order address bus line have been multiplexed with status signals. There have a 8086 microprocessor diagram, pin diagram. We show that there one is ground and other is a component of output and input device, input pin. There have a ready pin and reset, test, VCC, etc. Now describe the working principle of a digital weight machine. How a microprocessor can be helpful in making of a digital weight meter. Basics. The digital scale measures the weight of a pen cap of 0.98 grams. Digital scale work with the use of a strain gauge load cell, whereas analog scale use springs to indicate the weight of an object. Digital scale convert the force of a weight of a electrical signal. Now we show a block diagram. There have a load cell. When we put the load and give a load and signal, then bypass of signal conditioner and amplifier, then bypass a AD converter, then input port into the input signals of microprocessor system, and there of output port into the 7 segment display, and there have an input keyboard. When we put the load shell is a bridge rectifier, a signal conditioner, amplifier and AD converter, then input port, microprocessor is programming, then output port display, and 7 segment display we show the weight. Thank you.